imagine owning any of these 2-bedroom apartments right here in Lekki Scheme 2 in Ebrima Desire with as low as 6.6 million naira and spread your balance over 12 months. Yes, you heard me. Look, I visited this property some months back and it was listed at the price of 70 million naira. And guess what? Today, it is currently selling at the rate of 75 million naira. Now, if you had bought some months back, you would have saved 5 million naira about 2 to 3 months ago. So you would have saved 5 million naira. Now, I brought good news to you. This is the finished apartment and which is almost sold out, and we have about 1 or 2 units here. Now, for the people who missed out in phase 1, which is this, I am bringing you the phase 2 of the same property right at your doorstep. The same location, the same environment, the same facility, the same style, and the same finishing. Now, if you missed out on the phase 2 or phase 1 of this property, I'm gonna take you to phase 1 of this property. Now, let's go. If you are just joining me, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and remember to hit that notification bell and stay glued on my YouTube channel because I promise you the best listings and properties in this environment. Current market data, apartments within this environment are sold at the rate of 50 to 90 million naira, but right here you are getting a huge discount in this beautiful property. Apartments are fully crafted with comfort and elegance, with fully fitted kitchen, ensuite bedrooms, and premium finishing. Now, let's go and see the phase 2 where you can spread your balance up to 12 months. Let's go. This is where we have the phase 2 of this property. So if you missed out on phase 1, not to worry. So this property is located right here in Lekki Scheme 2 within the Lekki AJAH corridor. So we're still selling our 2-bedroom apartment right here, and also we have the 3-bedroom apartment right here. So the 2-bedroom apartment is currently selling for 80 million naira with as low as 10 million naira initial deposit and spread balance over 12 months, and with a minimum of 6.6 million naira for the spread of 12 months. You are good. So monthly you are making about 6.6 million naira. You see, owning a home has been made easier for you. So all you need to do right now is to call the number on your screen. My name is Amrachi. Remember, I'll be very glad to hand you the keys to your home. So until you see me on your screen again, and I'll be waiting for your calls.